Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina. Today I thought I'd take you on a quick tour of the underside of my Mitsubishi Mirage. Been doing some work here at the shop, getting it ready for winter, taking the wheels off, coating the wheel wells and the undercarriage with both undercoating and the frame members and smaller parts with extra coats of paint. So as you can see here, the frame channels, the control arms, those kind of things are just regular paint, Rustoleum, and then up in there, took the plastic wheel well covers off and undercoated the entire thing. I mean, I put about a case of undercoating on this, and you can really tell it's 3 coats thick. This is professional grade Rustoleum undercoating. Have had good luck with it with our other cars, but I just wanted to make sure, since this was a brand new car, that, well, I was going to be able to make sure it lasted a long time, because salt definitely eats up cars here. As you can see, the rear cross there, that's all been painted with regular Rustoleum. But all this, yeah, all the lines, everything, all undercoated. Of course, I taped everything off to keep it from getting on the exhaust, so it came out pretty nice. I really like it. Anyway, if you have any questions about how to undercoat cars in general, I can tell you the parts you want to spray and the parts you don't want to spray, and kind of help you out with that. It's not a terrible job. It definitely would be something I would want to do on a lift. I think laying down, underneath one of these things up on jack stands would get a lot of paint on you. But other than that, yeah, looking pretty good. Still liking the Mirage. Got about 4,000 miles on it now and climbing. So, till next time, take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet. Liberty sows its seed at Farpoint.